continuation of fractions. Today's topic is comparing and ordering fractions. First, let us see comparing and ordering unit fractions. What is meant by unit fractions, children? Do you have any idea? A fraction whose numerator is 1 is called a unit fraction. Example, 1 by 2, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6. In this, the numerators are 1 and the denominators are different. These are the example of unit fraction. The question is, which fraction is smaller? Which fraction is smaller? See here, children. First, we have to find the fraction for shaded part. In this circle, we divide it into 1, 2, 3. 3 equal parts. So, our denominator is 3 and number of shaded part is 1. Our numerator is 1. So, the fraction of this circle is 1 by 3. Then, second one, we divide this into 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal parts. So, our denominator is 4 and the number of shaded part is 1. So, our numerator is 1. The fraction is 1 by 4. See here, children, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4. In this, the numerators are same and the denominators are different. When the numerators of two or more fractions are the same, the fractions with the smaller denominator is the greater. In this, we are going to find which fraction is smaller. Smaller means the fraction with the greater denominator is smaller. In 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, 1 by 4 is the greatest denominator. So, 1 by 4 is smaller than 1 by 3. Is it clear, children? Now, let us learn comparing and ordering like fractions. What is meant by like fractions, children? Fractions that have the same denominators are called like fractions. Example, 2 by 7, 4 by 7 and 6 by 7. In this, the denominators are same and the numerators are different. These are the example of like fraction. Is it clear, children? The question is, which fraction is greater? We have to find the fraction for number of part shaded. See here, children. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total number of parts is 5. So, our denominator is 5. And number of parts shaded 1, 2. Our numerator is 2. The fraction is 2 by 5. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 equal parts. So, our denominator is 5. And number of parts shaded 1, 2, 3. Our numerator is 3. 2 by 5, 3 by 5. See here, children, in this the denominators are same and the numerators are different. Yes, when the denominators of two or more fractions are same, the fraction with the greater numerator is the greatest. See here, children, 2 by 5 and 3 by 5. In this, which is greater numerator? 3 is the greater numerator. So, 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Is it clear, children? The question is, what fraction of each rectangle is colored? See here, children. 1, 2, 3. 3 bars are given. We have to find the fraction of shaded parts for each bar and then arrange the fractions from the smallest to the greatest. Can we see, children? See the first bar. The first bar is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. So our denominator is 8. In that, how many parts are shaded, children? 1, 2, 3. 3 parts. So the answer is 3 by 8. Now let's see the second one. It is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equal parts. So our denominator is 8. In that 1, 2. 2 parts are shaded. So our numerator is 2. The answer is 2 by 8. Then the third bar, it is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our denominator is 8. In that, how many parts are shaded, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are shaded. So our numerator is 7. The answer is 7 by 8. Now we have to arrange the fractions from the smallest to the greatest. The fractions are 3 by 8, 2 by 8 and 7 by 8. See the children, in this the denominators are same and the numerators are different. When the denominators of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction with the greater numerator is greater. See here, which is greater numerator? 7 is greater numerator. So 7 is greater. Then the fraction with the smaller numerator is smallest. In this, which is the smallest numerator, children? 3, 2 and 7. Which is smallest? 2 is the smallest. So 2 by 8. Then the next smallest is 3. 3 by 8. Then the last smallest is 7. 7 by 8. At last, answer is equal to 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 7 by 8. Is it clear, children? Can we see one more example? The question is, what fraction of each rectangle is colored? See here, children. Here, 3 bars are given. First, we have to find the fraction for each bar. And then arrange the fractions from the greatest to the smallest. See the first bar, children. We divide the first bar into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9 equal parts. In that, how many parts are shaded, children? Only one part. Yes. Now the fraction is 1 by 9. Then see the second bar. The second bar is divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 equal parts. In that, how many parts are shaded? Only one part. So 1 by 6. The fraction is 1 by 6. See the third bar, children. The third bar is divided into how many equal parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 equal parts. In that, how many parts are shaded? Only 1. So, 1 by 7. See here, children. The fractions are 1 by 9, 1 by 6 and 1 by 7. Now, we are going to arrange these fractions from the greatest to the smallest. See here, children. Here, the numerators are same. Yes. When the numerators of two or more fractions are the same, the fraction of smaller denominator is the greatest. See here, children. The denominators are 9, 6 and 7. In this, which is smaller? 6 is smaller. So 1 by 6 is the greatest. Then the next greatest fraction is, yes, the next smaller denominator. The smaller denominator is 7. 1 by 7. The next greatest fraction is 1 by 7. Then the last fraction is 1 by 9. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. Bye. See you in next class.